Good afternoon. It's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with I'm going to do a pour and a swipe, sort of leaving some negative space. I say that, but if it actually may turn out different. Anyway, I will explain as we go along. I am using a MDF board. These boards are $3 from Kmart in Australia. So there's sort of just the raw side on that side, and on the other side they've already been pre-painted. So I'm going to paint on this side. These particular boards don't warp or anything, but if you get the MDF boards, you can still get them online at Capriole Shabby Chic, the boards as well. And in America, I'm sure you can get them, or the United Kingdom. But yeah, so they're very cheap and economical, and you can make obviously art out of them. You can make a clock out of them, or you can resin them with a food safe resin to create a cheese board or whatever. I've got my little spinner. This was from Capriole Shabby Chic. So this is like a all plastic one. So the good thing about this is you can put it under the tap or in the bucket and wash it all off. And what I did was I let my paint dry on it, and I just peeled it off. Got a bit more to go, but that's okay. So, and I'm also going to use some of these little nozzle bottles. That works out as bozzles, right? The little bozzles. That's a bottle and a nozzle. I got them online from Capriole Shabby Chic, but they're good if you want to put a bit of paint and store it, because they've got the lid. And this particular one, I'll explain. I'm using the Boom Gel. I'm using the Boom Gel paints today, and I've put some white I put it into a cup first, mixed the white, and then I added some of the Boom Cell Booster. Now this is available in Australia from the link below, but it's also available from stockists that Boom Gel have in the US and UK, so it is available worldwide. There's a link down below for Boom Gel Stain, and they will put you onto the stockists in your country. So the white, I've just put some Boom Booster in. Oh, there you go. My lid in this white, so I'll explain as I go. So yes, I'm using these lovely colours today. I'm not sure if any of them are new ones, so I'm going to use the metallic copper, Banksia orange, native violet purple, and pinnacle sands. I haven't used the pinnacle sands before, I'm pretty sure, so I'm going to try those all on a bed of white. So let's get this show on the road. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to spin it, but it does help to have something that you can turn around while you're painting. So I'm going to, oops, it's alright because it's going to go all over it anyway. So, nice good layer of that. Start with one of my favourites, of course, is the native violet purple. Give them a good shake. These are all new bottles, so just gonna go with that, and then I'm gonna give the metallic copper. I'm going to go the gorgeous Banksia orange. And the pinnacle sand. So this should be interesting because I definitely haven't used these colours before. Might put a bit on that side too. And a bit more of my, I love all the colours, but For whatever reason, I'm going a bit crazy on this native violet purple. It's gorgeous. Okie doke. So. What I want to do now is use the bit of plastic, and I'm going to use my squeegee bottle with the boom booster in to put it on here. So I'm actually going to swipe it this way with the card. Seen some of the ladies do this and it seemed to work for them, so maybe I should stretch it out first. Okay, that was taking it all wrong. Maybe I should have stretched it out first. I'm not sure. Anyway, I will swipe it and I'll see what we get. So here we go. So don't swipe it too hard or too deep. Just a gentle swipe. So I'm putting a bit more of the good stuff on here. Let's go the other way. So wiping my little piece of soft plastic off in between each swipe. Oh, those colours, they are super duper. Probably needed a real skinny piece of this. Wow, look at those. See, this is the boom gel is made to create kind of a bloom effect, like the Shelley bloom effect, but without you having to make all the paints up and the pouring medium and so on and so forth. It's just straight out the bottle. So how easy is that? It's great, I think. Wow. Need a bit more colour in here, don't I? So just try this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It is pouring with rain here today in Australia. Well, it is in Queensland where I am at the moment. Wow, love it. Now let's see if this baby moves around the canvas. Let's hope it does, because that's gorgeous. Very happy with that. So I've got to, oops a days. I'm going to try and stretch it around the canvas now. That's my intention. I suppose I could spin it after I've stretched it. Give it a stretch. I'll move those bottles out of the way. Just nice and slow, just relax doing it, no hurry. So I definitely want to leave some negative space in this, so I'm just hoping, or as usual, I go and overdo it with the paint. The colours are just beautiful together. Very, very nice. Let's just tip it down there. Oh, that's gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, I'm going to just give it a little spin. Wish me luck. I usually tape a lollipop stick so you can spin it. That's not going to work very well. That's not working very well. What's happening? It's not spinning. Must have got caught on something. Well, that wasn't successful, the spin, but I'm certainly loving the colours, and I love having the negative space. It's just beautiful. Maybe let me think. Maybe a bit of heat. Let's see what the heat does to it. Bursting the bubble, air bubbles in it for sure. Okay, that is quite lovely. Quite lovely. Just gonna run some other bits through it so you can doodle with it and have a think about it. And but the colours are beautiful. I love it. Boom gel is not the same as unicorn spit. I know some people in the US say it's the same, but it's completely different. It's not the same. And as I say, this is available in the US and the UK, so because they have stockists in those countries, so you can get it. Like I said, the link for the online Capriole Shabby Chic if you're in Australia, but there is the link there for the Boom Gel, and they will, if you contact the Boom Gel people, they will give you the stockists in your country. Okay, I love that. If that is resined, that's gonna look super duper. So there was just another little try of Boom Gel stain, and I love it. So will you let me know what you think? Have you given this a go in this kind of swipe? I'd be interested to have any tips or tricks for it, but I'm very happy with that. So wait to the end for the photos of the dry piece, and I will put my Nana joke on the end, which will be terrible, but you know, got to have a smile. So thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and if you haven't done so, please do so. Until next time, bye for now. Just a little few photos of the puppies, no videos this time, but I will tell you a very quick Nana joke. What's an astronaut's favourite part of a computer? The space bar. Oh dear. Okay, it can actually get worse. Okay, bye for now. Until next time. Thanks for watching.